Disclaimer: this video isn't financial advice and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello there, welcome to the channel. This is Will, and during this video I'm going to show you how I turn my crypto into cash. This is the easiest way I found. I don't have any restrictions, I don't have to fill any reports, I don't have to pay high fees. I simply send my crypto to this debit card and I can use it online, offline. I'm using it to pay groceries, to pay restaurant bills. I can also use it in any ATM. This is a debit card called Ultimo Pay. I've been using it for the last 3 months, almost 4 months now. Not long ago, someone was asking, how can I reload my card? Well, I have a balance there inside the back office, so I'm going to show you that process. It's pretty simple. If you haven't heard about this card, let me give you a quick overview. Ultimo Pay is a Visa debit card. This is what I'm using to turn that crypto into my local currency. It has one of the lowest fees in the market compared to other similar platforms. When you apply for an Ultimo card, what you actually do is create an offshore account. You're gonna open an overseas account. You don't need to present any tax reports. You will have total privacy. Doesn't matter where you at. You can apply for a card all over the world. There is a cost, of course. They're gonna charge you to open this account. Once you open your account inside Ultimo, you need to make a deposit. They will handle the whole process on opening your offshore bank account. We need to provide an ID. We need to provide a picture. After they approve your account, they will take part of that deposit to print your card and to send it by mail. And the rest of the deposit that you have in the balance is going to be added to your card. So once you receive your card by mail, you can start to use it. How much is the cost? They are charging $600. We can pay with crypto, so 600 USDT. 450 will go to open your offshore account, print your card, and send it by mail. The other 150 left is going to be inside your card, so you can start to use it. How long it takes to receive this card? They say it will take around 20 days. In my case, it took 5 weeks to arrive. Some other users told me the same. The card took around 1 month to arrive. You will have an app that you can download in your phone and you can track your spending. If for any reason you want to block your card, you can do that using the app. But if you want to reload your account, you need to use the back office of Ultimo Pay. So this is how it looks like in the members area. You can see your US dollar balance, your card balance. You can do off-ramping using Bitcoin, Tether, USDT, BUSD, USDC. Right below, you can see all your deposits, withdrawals, exchange, load. Right here in the left side panel, all the tabs to get started. First, you need to buy the card, follow the steps, and you can apply for as many cards as you want. Let's say you want to have one for yourself, another one for your wife, or for your kids. I have a full review going over the whole process on how to register and how to order your card. I'm going to put that link right here in the top corner. What I want to show you first is how to load my card. I already load my card a few times. You can see here my first deposit was when I opened the account. Then I put 79 there. Then I put another 414. After that, I've been putting around 900 each time. I use this card pretty much in every scenario. Online, I use it to buy stuff on Amazon. I also use it offline to buy groceries, pay dinners, buy clothes. The only place I couldn't use it, and I don't know why, if you know why, let me know. I cannot use it in any gas station. I don't know why. I try in different locations, but it doesn't work in gas stations. But the rest, it works perfectly fine. So what's the process to reload? Let's say you want to send some USDT to your card. After your account is approved, after you receive your card, after you activate your card, remember you will have a balance of 150, but if you want to put more, let's say in USDT. You're gonna come to deposit. Yeah, right here you select the network. Let's say you want to transfer TRC20. You copy the address, send your deposit here. After a while, you will see it right here in your dashboard. But now we need to perform the off-ramping process, which is sell your Tether, sell your USDT, and turn that into USD. So to do that, you're gonna click in sell. It will show you your balance. You will type here the amount that you want to off-ramp. It's going to have a fee, of course. Let's say you want to off-ramp 1,000. You will receive 975. You click in sell. And after you do that, we go back to dashboard. You will see that balance here, already in USD. Next step, we're gonna load our card with the balance. So I'm gonna click in load or charge. It shows there my balance. I type here 150. Load card. Do you want to load the 150 USD? Say yes. It goes to pending, but doesn't take long. I think they are following the bank working hours. This offshore bank is in Asia. It won't take long. I already tried it a few times. Probably just a couple of hours max. Then after they approve it, you will see that the total balance in your card. You can check that here inside the members area, or you can also check that inside your phone app. That's all I want to show you in this video. So far, I'm really happy with this service. It's pretty convenient, make it everything super easy for me, especially if you don't want to deal with tax reports. Well, I don't have that issue here in the Middle East, but some of you that are located in the USA, probably this could be an option for you. Of course, I want to invite you to do your own due diligence, your own research. Check my previous videos on this one. If you have any questions, you can leave those down below in the comment section, or you can find me directly on Telegram. The link is in the description of this video. I will be happy to help you if I know the answer. If you found some value here, I will appreciate your likes. And before we go, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I want to invite you to do it now and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. It will be my pleasure to have you around. Thank you so much for sticking here until the end. This was my quick update on Ultimo Pay debit card. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you in the next one.